Hello, my friend. Let's go ahead and mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? Today we are diving into a simple, scrumptious recipe that'll have you serving up easy, crispy salmon tenders with a quick lemon butter sauce in no time. Start by preparing your salmon fillet. You'll need about 1 pound with the skin removed and cut into tender-sized strips. Next, set up your breading stations. You'll need 3 bowls. The first one should contain a cup of all-purpose flour, seasoned with a pinch of salt and pepper. In the second bowl, beat 2 large eggs, and in the third, place 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Now it's time to bread your salmon. Dredge each strip first in the flour, then dip it in the beaten eggs, and finally coat it well with the panko breadcrumbs. Make sure to cover them real good. Once your salmon tenders are breaded, heat some vegetable oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Fry your salmon tenders until they're a beautiful golden brown and cooked through. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once they're done, transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. While your salmon tenders are cooling slightly, it's time to whip up a quick and tangy lemon butter sauce. In a small saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Stir in the juice of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of grated lemon zest, and a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Let this cook for 1 to 2 minutes, then remove it from the heat. Your sauce is ready. To serve, arrange your crispy salmon tenders on a plate and drizzle them with the lemon butter sauce. Alternatively, you can serve the sauce on the side for dipping. And there you have it, perfectly crispy, tangy salmon tenders right at your fingertips. This dish is a testament to the fact that restaurant-quality meals can indeed be recreated at home. So go ahead and grace your kitchen with this delightful recipe. Happy cooking!